Okay, start with 1. Count again.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
What comes after 3? You did it all the way to 10 when I didn't have this on. Say 1, 2. You don't want me to take your picture? Can you count? Count your fingers.
1, 2, 3.
4,
5,
7,
6,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15.
15. He counted 1 through 10.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's his favorite book?
A triangle.
How many triangles do you see?
Triangle.
And a star?
And a triangle.
How many triangles? Can you count the triangles?
1, 2, 3.
There's 3 of everything. Easy with the pages. Truck. Big truck. Diamond. Did you see the diamond? And rectangle?
Triangle.
You're going to find all the triangles. And circle? Count. Count them. Ma, 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 ma.
1, 2, 3.
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now we